If f is not onto and g is 1 to 1, then g dot f is not onto. Okay, f is not onto f from a to b. Okay, f from a to b. This is a, this is b. F from a to b. And it's not onto, so there must be something in b. That is not the image of anything in a. So we can draw. And thus, this point map to this point. This point, say, map to this point. And this point is not the image of anything from a. So f is, in our case, f is not onto. F not onto. Now g from b to c. G from b to c is 1 to 1. So any point in b must be sent to different point b, sent to different point in c. Let me just add one more point. For example here, so it's 1 to 1, g is 1 to 1, so this point is sent to this point let me send to here and here. G is 1 to 1. G dot f is not onto, so I have g dot f, you see here, this is not onto, because this point is not the image of anything. It's not the image of anything. Maybe we can even erase this point, because suppose we have one more point and it's not the image of anything else. So this obviously g dot f is not onto. We can even erase this point. G dot f. And we want to show that this is not onto in general, not just in this example. Okay, so let's prove it. From what we see in this example, f is not onto, so there is something here. Thus is not the image of anything from a. And that one sent to this point. Make this point is not the image of anything from a. So therefore, g dot f is not onto. Now we write it down. Since f is not onto, there must be something in b. Let me call it y1 in b, such that for all x in a, y1 is different from f of x. Okay, so here's our y1. Y1 is different from any f of x for any x in a. Okay, so now we have g is 1 to 1 by definition. G is 1 to 1. Y1 and f of x for x is any other point a, so f of x any other point in b, right? But f of x is not the same as y1. Since g is 1 to 1, we have g of y1 must be different from g of f of x, because these 2 points are both in b, in the domain of g, but they are different points. One-to-one function or injective function send different point to different point. So this one is different from g f of x for any x in a. So for any x in a, this one is different. Okay, g of y1 is specific point, right? Y1 is one point b such that we know it before. The point where it's not the image of any f of x. not f of x for any x in A. So we have G of point 1. This point is in C. Here G of point 1. G of point 1 is in C. And G of point 1 is different from G of f of x. By definition of composition, this is dot f of x. G dot f of x for any x in A. And by definition of surjectivity, we know that G dot f, the x is a point C, such that it's not the image of any point from A. By definition of surjectivity, we have G dot f is not surjective or not onto. Not onto. So we finish the proof of this exercise.